Welcome to AngularJS tutorials. Directives, inbuilt directives, ng-hide. Ng-hide is similar to ng-show, but the functionality is reverse of ng-show. The ng-hide directive shows or hides the given HTML element based on the expression provided to the ng-hide attribute. If we provide an expression with value true, ng-hide will hide the element. If the expression is false, ng-hide will shows the element. This is completely reverse to the ng-show directive. Let's look at an example. This is our previous example. So this is a message I'm displaying here. Hello. Here I want to hide this message using ng-hide. ng-hide. Let me give true value. Let's refresh. Yeah, it got hidden. ng-hide. If you provide true value to ng-hide, it will hide that element, HTML element. Okay. If we provide false, it will displace that. Okay. Let's try to bind this expression from scope. This is a scope variable, show message. This is right now true. So if we pass expression, it will evaluate and gets boolean value finally, true or false. We are passing true. So let's look at output. It's hidden. Let's make it false. Yeah, it is displayed. This is first scenario. Then checking the condition. If message equal to what? Hello. If the message is hello, I want to delete O, H-E-L-L, hell. Hell and hello is not equal. So the condition here is message is equal to HELL. It's a false. False means ng-hide is displaying the value, HTML element. Now if you make it true, it will hide that because it's a ng-hide attribute. It's not ng-show. Okay. This is how we will give an expression for ng-hide directive. Okay. Yep. So ng-hide directive shows or hides the given HTML element based on the expression provided to the ng-hide attribute. If the expression is true, ng-hide will hide the element. If the expression is false, ng-hide will shows the element. This is completely reversed to the ng-show attribute. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for watching.